Dogs once lived in freedom like wolves. In the beginning, dogs were wild and lived independently, much like wolves. They had to fend for themselves, constantly searching for food and staying alert to dangers. One particular dog grew tired of this way of life, feeling insecure and afraid of stronger animals. The dog decides to find the strongest master. The dog realized that life would be easier and safer if he served a master who was stronger than anyone else. He set out on a journey to find the mightiest being to protect and care for him. The dog chooses the wolf as his first master. On his journey, the dog met a wolf, a close relative of his, who was strong and fierce. The dog asked the wolf to be his master, and the wolf agreed. The two started traveling together, and the dog felt safe under the wolf's protection. The wolf is afraid of the bear. As they walked, the wolf suddenly smelled something, got scared, and ran into the bushes. When the dog asked what was wrong, the wolf revealed that he was afraid of a bear. Realizing that the bear was stronger than the wolf, the dog decided to leave the wolf and serve the bear instead. The dog becomes the bear's servant. The bear gladly accepted the dog's service and promised to protect him. The bear suggested they go find a herd of cows so they could hunt and eat together. The bear fears the lion. As they approached the cows, a loud noise sent them into panic. The bear became frightened and quickly hid, explaining that the lion was nearby. The bear admitted that the lion was the ruler of the forest and stronger than him. The dog, wanting to serve the mightiest master, left the bear and went to find the lion. The dog becomes the lion's servant. The lion, being the king of the forest, accepted the dog as his servant. The dog lived happily with the lion, enjoying a peaceful and protected life. No animal dared to threaten the dog while he was under the lion's protection. The lion fears man. One day, while walking together, the lion suddenly became anxious, roared angrily, and backed away. The dog was surprised and asked what was wrong. The lion revealed that he had smelled a man approaching and insisted they should run. This shocked the dog. If even the mighty lion was afraid of man, then man must be the strongest of all. The dog leaves the lion and joins man. The dog realized that man was the most powerful being on earth. He left the lion and approached a man, asking to serve him. The man accepted the dog's companionship, and they lived together. The dog's loyalty to man continues forever. Since that time, the dog has faithfully served humans, never leaving their side. This is why, even today, dogs are known as man's best and most